Hi there guys, it's Dan from K-Tec Racing, and today you join us at a wet and windy Castle Combe for Forge Action Day. It's not as bright and sunny as we thought it was going to be, but there we go, it is what it is. But obviously, as you can see behind me, we've got the amazing K-Tec stand. We've got 8 cars on the stand. It looks absolutely amazing. All Renaults obviously. Got some customers' cars, got some of our demo cars. It looks great. So if you were at Forge Action Day, hopefully you've seen our stand and appreciate how much effort the team have put into it. Looks absolutely great. Ignore the Miller's Oil wrong banner that we brought along with us, but that's another matter for another day. But yeah, we're going to go and have a walk around now, see what other cars are at this amazing event that we come to year on year. So join us whilst we have a walk around the pits.
Hello, I'm Dean. I'm with K-Tec down at Forge Action Day. This is my Clio 220 in liquid yellow. Got a few bits and pieces done to it, so I'll talk you through it if you want to come and follow me. Obviously liquid yellow, gloss black accents, got a few trophy decals, got some wheel spacers front and rear with a full Mac design kit. On the back, painted diffuser, standard aquaponic exhaust, a few extra black things, gel plates, standard, and a black shark fin aerial. Around the front, got a few K-Tec bits. This is mapped to 250 brake. Got a few red boost hoses and black. A few additional black covers, as well as the black blade on the front and black badges. Did do the gas struts as well, and a few little yellow caps with red stickers. Between the trophy, it's got the full standard trophy heated seats, got both speakers. It is fairly quite a top high spec, and the paint's probably the best thing about it for us, to be honest. It does have a valve back box as well, which I can open with a button on the steering wheel. It's got DS2500 brake pads front and rear. Do have graded brake lines on order with K-Tec as well. And I've got racing fluid in the boot, ready to go, but not fitted when I'm about to go on track. That's pretty much it, to be honest. I am planning to do a gloss black roof, and I would like RS16 body kit from K-Tec, but that might come in a year or so.
Hi guys, I'm James. I'm here down at Forge Action Day with K-Tec Racing. We're currently dismantling the stand. This is my Mark IV Megane RS that I've had for, must be 2.5, 3 years now, that I actually bought from K-Tec Racing. Everything that I've had done has pretty much been done by K-Tec. There's a long list, but I can't really remember, so I'm going to go to my phone. I blew up my diff in it, so I had a gripper diff fitted by K-Tec. It's running a hybrid turbo, a Wagner intercooler, KTR induction kit, KTR braided brake lines, KTR D-cat, KTR super sports cat, KTR front grooved 378mm discs, front strut brace, rear strut brace. I also purchased the bonnet and the carbon rear diffuser through K-Tec as well. K-Tec really do love me as a customer, I think. My most recent purchase was the carbon wheels. I wanted to keep the car as a kind of an OEM plus look. I've loved every minute of it. It's had its ups and downs, French car, so I don't think you can really expect more from that. But it's been great working with K-Tec. I've now become a BA, which is a brand ambassador. and it's great to represent the team and also get invited down to cool things like this, Forge Action Day.
Right guys, we've obviously had some amazing cars on the stand today, but one of them that really shines out for us at K-Tec is Rob Castle's car. It's absolutely mint, immaculate condition. It's got obviously the Megane engine in with a big Garrett G25 series turbo. It's got pretty much everything you could want on a track spec fast Clio. It's got a proper fuel system, a swirl plot in it, fire extinguisher, totally stripped out inside. Full setup for track basically. But we built this car last year for our customer Rob, and it's a pleasure to have it on the stand. It's an absolute beauty car. You might be seeing this in the hands of K-Tec soon, and we might be doing some more videos around it, which will be exciting. So please obviously check out the channel for more content around this car coming up soon. So we've had a great day guys at Forge Action Day. Thank you to Forge for putting on another amazing day, and the sun is finally shining, which is great. Had some great track time, cars have all performed fantastic. Thanks to the team for putting on an amazing day. Thank you to the customers for turning up as well and allowing their cars to be on our stand. It's just been fantastic. So we'll see you guys here next year, and please remember to obviously subscribe to the channel and also like this video, and we'll see you soon for more content.